Hi guys, Sam from TBC Detailing here. As you can see, we now come to the end of the video and Giles and Max have absolutely smashed this out the park. This Seat Alhambra looks like a completely different vehicle. The guys have followed all the correct procedures, using all top quality products as always, and I'm sure our customer is going to be absolutely over the moon. Not so much for Giles and Max, where I'm now going to have to send this back up there, because as you've probably seen throughout this video, the heavens opened, the good English weather helped us out on this video, and it started raining while we had all the doors open. So unfortunately some of the trims have got a bit water spotty again. So before the customer arrived, we're now going to send it back to the guys just to wipe over it again, give it a good clean and make it look absolutely perfect, ready for our customer to arrive. See you guys next time.